In the previous class, we have studied about spacebar key, enter key, and backspace key, isn't it? So today, in this class, we will start from caps lock key. Okay, so let's begin from caps lock key. What is caps lock key? The caps lock key is used to type in capital letter. Press the caps lock key once. This will turn on the light of the caps lock key on the keyboard. Type the text, it will appear in capital letter. So what you have to do? You have to remember this thing, that caps lock key is used to type in capital letter. Okay, and what you have to do? When you will press the caps lock key once, the light on the caps lock key will get on. Okay, and after that, when you will type the text, it will appear in capital letter. Okay, so remember here, caps lock key is used to type in capital letter. Okay, now number second. Next is arrow key. Arrow keys are used to move the cursor on the monitor in four directions, that is left, right, up and down. So when you want to move the cursor on the monitor in four different directions, then you will have to use arrow keys, and arrow keys we have four on the keyboard. I will show you afterwards. Okay, next one is cursor. So what is cursor? It is the blinking line on the monitor. It tells the position from where you should start typing. Yes. So students, when you will open any word processor document, okay, there you will see one blinking line on the monitor. That blinking line is known as cursor. Okay, and that blinking line will tells you the position from where you should start typing. Clear? We will proceed further. Before that, let me show you where is the caps lock key, where is the arrow keys on the keyboard. Okay, children, can you see this keyboard? Yes. So can you see here this one, this button, this key is known as what? Caps lock key. Okay, this key is the caps lock key. Okay, and here we have four arrow keys: up, down, left and right. So we have four arrow keys here. With these arrow keys, we can move the cursor up and down, left and right. Okay, these arrow keys are used to move the cursor in four different directions. Clear? And this caps lock key is used to write in capital letter. Understood? Okay, now again we'll come here. Now we will do fill in the blanks. That is on page number 48 of your textbook. Take out your book, page number 48. See, the first one is fill in the blanks. Okay, number 1. There are dash types of keys on the monitor. So children, I have explained you how many types of keys are there on the keyboard. There are 3 types of keys, isn't it? Okay, next one, number 2. The dash keys are used to type letter, words and sentences. So what will be here? It will be alphabet key, isn't it? Alphabet keys are used to type letters, words and sentences. So it will be alphabet key here. Okay. Now number 3. The dash key is used to move the cursor to the next line. Yes, I have explained you this one. If you want to move the cursor to the next line, you have to use enter key, isn't it? You have to use what? Enter key. Now number 4. The dash key is used to add blank spaces between words. Yes, if you want to add blank space, you have to remember it will be a space bar key. Okay, yes. So here we have finished in the blanks. Now we will do number B, that is match the following. Okay, we will do matching now. So children, just see here. Here number key is matched with 10. Why? Because we have 10 number keys on the keyboard starting from 0 and up to 9. Okay. Alphabet key. How many alphabet keys we have? How many alphabet keys we have? Alphabet keys we have 26, isn't it? So alphabet key is matched with 26. Clear? Now this is the symbol of which arrow key? Whose symbol it is? It is the symbol of enter key, isn't it? It is the symbol of enter key. And this one is of backspace key. Okay, so here we have finished filling the blanks and matching. In the next class we will do tick the right answer, and the last one, guess who am I. So these two things we will do in the next class. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.